Samsun UN50TU700D. So the TV plug to the power, you can see the standby light is on. The standby light, after you press the power button, it goes off completely. But this is like the TV light turns on, then it's goes. So that's the board in the TV. We have main board, power board, and we have the panel boards. That's it. So of course, first we are going to disconnect the screen. Yeah, let's disconnect this flex cable that's going to the screen. The standby light is on. I press the power button, the same thing. The light is go on then off. You can see the light go off. Yeah, the light is go off, flashed, then back on. The TV back to the standby. So basically it's not the screen issue. Another test, we can, I disconnect the power board and we plug it to the power. You can see the backlight turns on, stay on. Yes, I mean the power board, it works fine. So this is not a power board issue. Now we have 12 volt, 12.9. Yeah, the power board is working fine. And we are going to test some voltages. So we're going to test it in the on mode and in the standby mode and the on mode. So let's check in the coils. 0, 3.4. Yeah, the processor is warm. 0.9, 1 volt, 1.5, that's the RAM voltage. This is the processor voltage. 1 volt. This is 5 volt USB. 1.8 NAND, 3.3 the EEPROM. This is a EEPROM and NAND, all of them over there. Yeah, basically we have all the voltages for the TV to turn on, but it doesn't want to turn on. So 3.3. This is the screen power manager IC. So all these voltages is gonna, yeah, these voltages rise when yeah, the processor is getting extremely hot. All right, this problem when it came to the processor, yeah, the processor is hot. When the problem came to the processor and the NAND, we can do nothing to it. We can replace some power ICs, but processor and the NAND is not worth it. You're going to need a similar board to take the processor from. That's the first point. If it is a NAND or the EEPROM issue, we need a working EEPROMs for this specific model. And That's why I don't do programming anymore, the EEPROM programming anymore, because it's kind of hard to find the software for this newer TV. Anyway, plus the board price, like I find the replacement boards. This one here for around $40. Yeah, it could be a software issue. The bad EEPROM or bad processor, I don't do that work anymore. So let's plug the screen. So you hear the sound, and we have the picture. Yeah, picture looks good. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.